Easter is almost here, and that means it's time for one of the most fun traditions, dyeing Easter eggs. But are you tired of the same old dip-dyed eggs? Want to make something more creative and unique this year? Should you try natural dyes, vibrant marbled effects, or stunning metallic finishes? If you're looking for fun, beautiful, and easy Easter egg dyeing ideas, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 amazing Easter egg decoration techniques that will take your egg dyeing game to the next level. Stick around until the end, because I have a special trick that will make your dyed eggs last longer and look even more vibrant.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are some classic Easter egg dyeing techniques? Classic egg dyeing methods are simple, fun, and perfect for all ages. One of the most popular ways to dye eggs is using food coloring and vinegar, which creates bright, even colors that you can customize. Another traditional option is the dip dye method, where you dip eggs halfway into different colors to create an ombre or layered effect. If you want a more rustic and natural look, the crayon resist technique lets you draw designs on the egg with white crayon before dyeing, revealing beautiful patterns when the wax resists the color. If you love these classic dyeing techniques, make sure to like and share this video so others can join in the Easter fun too. How can I use natural ingredients to dye Easter eggs? If you want a more eco-friendly approach, natural dyes are a great alternative to synthetic food coloring. One option is boiling red cabbage to create a beautiful blue dye, which gives eggs a soft, cool-toned finish. For warm tones, using turmeric and vinegar creates a stunning golden yellow shade that feels vibrant and festive. If you love earthy, muted colors, brewing coffee or tea to dye eggs gives them a rustic, speckled brown appearance that looks great in farmhouse-style decor. Got a favorite natural dye method? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're excited to try. How can I create a marbled or tie-dye effect on Easter eggs? Marbled and tie-dye eggs add an artistic and unique touch to your Easter decor. One of the easiest methods is shaving cream or whipped cream dyeing, where you swirl food coloring into the cream, roll the eggs through, and let them absorb the colors for a beautiful marble effect. Another creative technique is oil and vinegar marbling, where you mix oil into the dye and dip the eggs to create a swirled, colored, watercolor-like effect. For a bold, psychedelic look, try tie-dyeing with paper towels, where you wrap eggs in damp paper towels, drop different food coloring onto them, and let them dry for a colorful, unpredictable pattern. Want more marbling techniques? Check the description for a full playlist of Easter DIY decor inspiration. How can I make kid-friendly and fun Easter egg designs? Dyeing Easter eggs with kids is all about fun, bright colors, and creativity. One easy and mess-free idea is sticker-resist dyeing, where kids place stickers or tape on the eggs before dyeing them, then peel them off to reveal fun patterns. Another fun technique is bubble wrap stamping, where kids press dyed eggs onto bubble wrap coated with a different color for a textured effect. If they love characters, try emoji eggs, where you dye eggs yellow and draw fun emoji faces using markers for a playful touch. Looking for more kid-friendly crafts? Check the description for my top Easter DIY projects. How can I make metallic or luxury-looking dyed eggs? If you want your Easter eggs to look elegant and high-end, metallic finishes are a great choice. One of the most popular techniques is gold foil eggs, where you apply sheets of gold or silver foil to dyed eggs for a glamorous, shiny look. Another option is pearlescent dyed eggs, where you mix metallic acrylic paints with a drop of vinegar to create a soft, shimmery finish. If you want something even more luxurious, brushing eggs with edible metallic dust or mica powder gives them a sophisticated and artistic feel. Looking for metallic egg decorating supplies? Check the description for my favorite luxury egg dyeing products. How can I personalize dyed Easter eggs? Personalizing Easter eggs makes them extra special for family and guests. One idea is hand lettering eggs with calligraphy, using a fine-tip brush or metallic marker to write names or messages. Another elegant option is monogramming eggs using vinyl decals or stickers, which look great on dyed backgrounds. If you want a unique keepsake, try photo transfer eggs, where you print small black and white images and transfer them onto the surface of dyed eggs using Mod Podge. Want to create personalized Easter eggs? Check the description for the best DIY supplies. How can I use dye to make speckled or textured eggs? Speckled eggs give a natural robin's egg effect that's perfect for Easter decor. A simple way to create this look is flicking paint or dye onto eggs with a toothbrush, using brown, black, or metallic colors for a delicate speckled finish. Another option is adding salt or rice to the dye, which creates a grainy, dappled effect when the eggs are rolled through it. If you want a rustic, nature-inspired style, rolling eggs in damp coffee grounds before dyeing gives them a beautiful, vintage-looking texture. Want to bring nature into your Easter decor? Click the link in the description to shop my favorite dyeing supplies. How can I use dyed Easter eggs in my home decor? Dyed Easter eggs aren't just for baskets. They can be used as stunning home decor. One idea is displaying dyed eggs in a glass vase with fresh flowers or faux moss for an elegant centerpiece. Another creative approach is placing speckled eggs in a wooden dough bowl with rustic greenery for a farmhouse-style display. If you love seasonal decorations, hanging dyed eggs on tree branches makes a gorgeous Easter tree for your table or entryway. Looking for Easter decor ideas? Check the description for my favorite Easter decorating products. What are some last-minute Easter egg dyeing ideas? Need to dye Easter eggs quickly? There are plenty of fast and easy methods. One of the quickest techniques is marker-drawn eggs, where you skip the dye and use colorful Sharpies or metallic pens to create designs in minutes. Another time-saving option is glitter-dipped eggs, where you brush eggs with glue and dip them in sparkly glitter for an instant glam look. If you're in a real hurry, try using store-bought dye kits, which come with everything you need for a quick and mess-free decorating session. Need quick dyeing hacks? Check the description for links to shop easy-to-use decorating kits. Dyeing Easter eggs is one of the best parts of the holiday, and there are so many creative ways to make them unique. Whether you love classic pastels, elegant metallics, or fun kid-friendly designs, there's a perfect Easter egg dyeing technique for everyone. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Easter DIY inspiration. Happy Easter and happy decorating!